welcome back to Tbsp Cooking, and today we're going to be making snowballs.
So the first ingredient is 1 cup butter, half a cup white sugar, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoons salt, 1 cup roughly chopped pecans, 3/4 cup confectioner sugar.
So now you want to preheat your oven to 325 Fahrenheit.
Take 2 baking pans lined with parchment paper and grease with butter. Let's get greasing.
So now we're going to be creaming the butter, the vanilla, and the sugar until light and fluffy. Now you want to add your butter to the KitchenAid mixer. Now you want to add your sugar. Now you want to add your vanilla. And you want to put it on. Now you want to get everything out of the whisk. Now you want to scrape down the sides of the bowl. So now you want to mix everything together till it's well combined. Looks like our dough is a little bit crumbly, so I'm going to add a little bit of water. Mix on a low speed. As you can see, the water did the trick. Our dough has come nicely together now. You know that your dough is done when you can form a ball and it doesn't crumble anymore. So now you want to take it out of the whisk. You can do it with your hand, or you can do it with a spatula or whatever tool you have on hand. But I'm just going to use my fingers, as you can see. Now add your pecans to the dough. So you're supposed to knead the dough until all the pecans are well incorporated and your dough has come together like this.
Put some confectioner sugar on your hands. Squeeze it a little bit and then roll it into a ball.
Now you want to put the snowballs in the oven. Bake them for 25 minutes or until golden brown. As you can see, the snowballs are done now. We did bake them a little bit longer than what the recipe says. You can tell that they're done baking when you insert a toothpick into the center and it comes out clean.
So now we're going to try these snowballs after we cover them in confectioner sugar. Now we're going to taste them.
can actually quite well taste the butter.
And the pecans, they give it a nice crunch. And these look like the Timblets, like with the strawberry jelly inside, the white ones.
They taste just like the sugar cookies, except for they have pecans.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and comment down below how your recipe turned out. Bye! Are you gonna see that? 3/4 cup confectioner sugar.
Confectioner.
And now that the butter is not,
Pause. You have to do a pause, and then you have to do it again.
and now that the butter is,
Never part of the show. Isn't it? Whose turn is it?
it is
now?
my turn.
So.
No, but she talked. She has to do everything by the oven.
Stuff together.
So now we're gonna be creaming the butter. What should I say? So you want to pick it up?
Got it back down.
Sorry, you don't want to pick it up. When you can make it look like a corn dog on your finger.
Just
I don't forget it. I just don't. You can know that they're done baking when you insert a.
tell.
You can know.
What is going on?
Why don't you let me?
I just want.
Wait,
Say something way different. Be
Don't
like.
they look like
mixture.
Timblets?
what?